Boy, oh boy, I am about to have one happy dog. So this little dog pool, although it's for dogs, I mean, I bet little toddlers would love this too, was sent for my review and we're going to be trying out for the very first time. All we've done so far is literally taking it out of the box, and I love that this part here is like, it's like cardboard, like it's rigid, so this will stand up on its own. I am going to go ahead and start by putting a bit of water in here. I actually kind of feel like you don't have to, because you're going to see I'm actually going to attach my hose right here, and then there's like all these little holes around here, so it's meant to just kind of like, he's always trying to get in. He's like, hey, get me in there. As soon as I start the hose, you're going to see he's going to go nuts. And then it's meant to just kind of like whoosh, shoot out over here, and we're going to see how it looks. There is the other thing we did do is there's like a little light here, which we're going to show you at night. It does come with a remote, and you do need 3 AAA batteries, not included, so we put those in there. So you have the remote to control that, and it does come with like a little patch kit. So what I'm going to just do right now is I'm just going to add a bit of water. And again, he's gonna go absolutely nuts. I should probably go turn on my hose. It definitely helps that he's so obsessed with water, but this is so cute. And I love it because, you know what, like having the whole tube fill up with water obviously is making it a little bit sturdier. But again, even though it's leaning on the one side, it is still holding up pretty well. All right, 2 things I'm noticing, and that is totally our fault. One of the things is our pool is a little bit on a slant, so a lot of the water is coming to this side. That's why this was kind of leaning on the side. We did end up adding a bit more water, and it's definitely a bit more rigid now. Again, he's obviously super crazy, so obsessed with water. Look at that. I just love how much he loves this. This is great. I will be turning the sprinklers back on just so that we can see him in action again, but I just needed him semi-calm because I also just wanted to show you it's going to be really easy. You just have this massive plug right here so that you can drain out the pool, obviously when you want to pack it away, and it just folds up nice and small, which is really great. So I'm going to go turn those on one more time. I'm going to let him run around and play, and yeah, so far I'm obsessed. This is awesome, and clearly he is too.